Well, good morning. It's Canada Day here in Canada. I thought a better way to celebrate than to feed some birds from Australia. These are the emus that live on the property we're on. And that's Kramer. And that's... Back up, Jack. Jack, come back. No, back up! Stay there. Jack just learned a lesson. So, I have to turn around and push my way back into these guys. So you have to bear with me. Now, to get them away, because they are quite, is to throw down some fruit first. And here's the dogs. Stay in their distance. Now let me show you how close-up feeding goes with these things. There they are. This is Lucy eating. And then Kramer. They're pretty fast with this stuff too, I'll tell you. There you go. I do like their fruit. Here you go. And I'm going to walk over here a little bit because sort of get an idea where they're at in their pen with the dogs. And we have the guys looking. Here they are. Over here. Gotta zoom back. They're so close. Here. You don't like the taste? Doesn't like it. You want, no? Don't like this one? You like it. She likes it. Oh, that's Kramer. Not too fussy about this stuff. This is there you go. This is what do you call it? Nectarine. They don't like the nectarine. But they do like a wash. And later on today, I'll give them a wash. And that's hand feeding. Emus on Canada Day. Okay, Jackie, back up.